So I'm going to go over a couple of examples, and then we are going to continue. So I just freaked out because I forgot if it was, like, I wasn't sure if it was actually recording. So, all right, coordinate plane. It says follow the directions below. Graph the rectangle, and then multiply each of these by 2, then multiply each of these by 1/2. So I am going to do this example with you. I'm going to draw the shape though, as opposed to doing the dots. I'll do the dots when I plot the point. But the original rectangle is at 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, and 5, 1. 2, 3. Right here. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that is our shape. Multiply each of these by 2. I'm sorry, that's going to happen a lot. I always flip between pages. All right, so, and then multiply both by 1/2 and see what happens. I wish it would just stay on this page. That would be great. All right, so I'm going to put 1, 1, and then I'm multiplying it by 2, so it is now 2, 2, very similar to what it was before. Oh man, that's gonna have to. There we go. It's gonna have to be transparent because you're not gonna see the shapes underneath. And then right here, 1, 3, so it is now at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 3 is now at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 times 2 is 6, so it should be lined up with that one right there. And 5, 1 is now at 10, 1, 2, because 1 times 2 is 2. So now that is my rectangle. What is the difference between that and my old one? If you look at it, you'll notice that all of them, the entirety of the shape is doubled in length. This was 2 high, this is now 4 high. So that's what I would write over here. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wide. This one is half of that. It is 4 wide. So now I'm going to multiply them both by 1/2 and see. So 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. So now my point's somewhere in the middle-ish. I'm going to make it smaller so I can fit more in the middle. My point's kind of there now. I'm just going to make copies of those points to make my other points. 1, 3 is now 1/2, 1 1/2. 5, 3 is now 2 1/2, 1 1/2. And 5, 1 is now 2 1/2, because 2 1/2 is half of 1, or 5, and 1, half of 1 is 1/2. So my last rectangle right here, if you notice, is going to be even smaller. I'm going to make that one a little bit bolder to see. So My new one is only 1 unit, or a half and a half, so 1 unit tall, where my original one was twice as tall. My new unit is now 1/2, 1, and 1/2, so that is 2 units wide, when my old original unit is 4 units wide. So you can kind of see what's going on and what's happening to these shapes as you dilate them. They're going to make this little cone shape. If you made it even bigger, it would continue out even bigger. And it would be, if you tripled it, if this was 2, then it would be 6 tall. And start here and it would go up 6. So you can continue on that path with these graphs. Here I have an extra coordinate plane for you guys to practice around with. You can also print out this page and use it for your notes, or use it for any assignments with graphs or anything. If you need to draw something out or whatever, I did include this page. If you want to print it though, I would change the background to something lighter than black, so you don't use up all of your ink. Because a black background, again, I did the black background because it is easier on the eyes. So that is dilations. I hope that made sense. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Bye.